Hello people. Okay, in today's video, I am going to give a review on Cedar. I have been using Cedar for more than 5 years, and overall, it has been a game changer for me. Uh, Now, I am going to share what are the perks of using Cedar that I have encountered. Firstly, if you are worried about the content of a torrent file, just add it to Cedar and have a quick check. Secondly, if you want to watch a movie without downloading it, just add it to Cedar. Thirdly, Cedar supports a faster download compared to many other torrents file. Many torrent file limits your download speed, but Cedar doesn't. And fourth of all, you can utilize or use Cedar as your secondary storage space. Fifthly, with Cedar, there is no need to download torrent apps like BitTorrent, uTorrent, or other apps like this. Simply add the torrent to Cedar and download it. Uh, and sixthly and finally, Cedar adds an extra layer of security, uh, keeping your torrent download anonymous.